Slowly breathe, slowly breathe, that's right. Ah, don't look at me, don't look at me. Slowly breathe. Very good. That's right. You want, you can kick a little bit if you want to. Okay. Your leg be a little bit pointy. That's right. Huh? Aurora, good girl. Yeah, Aurora is a good girl. Very good, Aurora. Very good, Aurora. Oh, you've been floating so long already, or? Oh! Good job, Aurora. You want to swim back? Go, get Lisa 1-5. Go! Aurora, tell your mom you are very good in back floating already, okay? Cheese! Yay! Kiss the camera.